Hey guys, Crypto Mike here with the mic check 1212. Is this thing on? Now, this is going to be about FLEXACOIN Flexa, the AMP development update number 2, public launch date, technical details. Alright, the public launch date is going to be September 8th. Alright, that's about 10 days from now, give or take. The steady march toward AMP's release on the Ethereum mainnet continues. Today's development update contains the formal public release date for AMP and further details about the AMP token contracts and documentation. Announcing AMP's public launch date, over the course of several months, the AMP smart contracts have cleared extensive testing and review, both in the form of in-depth, independent security audits from Consensus, Diligence, and Trail of Bits, and continued experimentation during August public testnet period from the emerging community of test AMP suppliers on Discord and Twitter. And alongside this testing, the Flexa team has continued to ship minor enhancements to the new Flexa Capacity dApp for accessibility and ease of use. On Tuesday, September 8th, 2020, AMP, that's the day after Labor Day. That's right. That's when the dollar is supposed to drop. Alright, AMP will be formally released on the Ethereum mainnet and made available for supplying to Flexa Capacity. When the public launch of AMP on the Ethereum mainnet draws closer, the official AMP contract address will be announced on the AMP website and cross-posted to the AMP Twitter and Discord communities, and will also be referenced directly from an update to this post. The contract address will not be published elsewhere or used in the course of any giveaway or airdrop promotions. Please be aware of any fraudsters who might attempt to mislead you into using an unofficial AMP contract address before it's announced here. Now, I want to emphasize, be careful. Always go to the actual contract, the Etherscan address, the actual one, the official one, all right? Someone could, it's never happened to me because I'm smart, but if someone wanted to put out a fake contract address and you wanted to copy and paste that and put your money into it, your money would be gone. So be careful. A preview of the new AMP documentation. AMP has been thoughtfully designed in order to simplify the process of supplying and interacting with collateral on-chain, while also affording vast extensibility so that the token's utility can improve as the DeFi ecosystem evolves. At the core of the AMP collateral model is the concept of partitions, which can be used to allocate collateral across different applications, use cases, or beneficiaries. In conjunction with upgradable AMP collateral managers, partitions enable AMP to be useful for a wide variety of collateral applications today, and make it trivial for AMP to adopt whatever new types of contract interactions and transaction paradigms may emerge in the future. Detailed documentation for supplying AMP and building AMP collateral managers will be made available over the course of the next week. If you're interested to learn more about using AMP or developing AMP-compatible applications, join the Discord for more updates. And I'll put the Discord link in the description. A request for translation support. Now, they are actually requesting for translation support here. Anyone who knows multiple languages, especially French, German, Korean, Polish, Romanian, Russian, simplified Chinese, or Spanish, hit them up. They are actually going to pay 15,000 AMP for anyone who translates perfectly without doing an automatic translation like Google or something. They're gonna pay 15,000 for an for a perfect translation. Okay, so hit them up. All right, they're on Discord, they're on Telegram, they're on Twitter. Hit them up if you want 15,000 AMP. This is a free money if you know the money. If you know the languages, it's just free money. Why not? Why not help out? And then of course they'll be fact checked. So make sure you do a good job. All right, guys. What's next? It's been an eventful 2 weeks. There's been plenty more to come. There's plenty more to come to stay abreast of AMP's launch on the Ethereum mainnet, as well as the release of the AMP technical white paper and security audit reports. Be sure to check back regularly and follow AMP on Twitter and join the official Discord server. There you go. And this is the AMP logo. And I'm super stoked, guys. I'm super stoked. So get ready. Get ready. All right, guys. Love you. Crypto Mike out. Peace.